Hello and welcome back to this channel. We're heading to New GRA Enugu. I want to show you what New GRA looks like. I want to show you the connection between Trans Ekulu and New GRA in this whole amazing video today. Leaving Garden Avenue in GRA, and we're taking off from Garden Avenue to New GRA. If you look to my right, that is the popular Polo Park Mall, also known as Shoprite. Of course, these people are selling nose masks. You can see those boys, they are selling nose masks, trying to sell to the people in that car, because right now you can't enter into the mall without a nose mask. So you can see to the right there's the mall, and we are heading straight to New GRA through Trans Ekulu. I just want you to enjoy this ride. We're actually going to one of our estate projects there at New GRA and see the progress of work there. So right at that junction in front of me is Esut Teaching Hospital, that is Park Lane, popularly known as Park Lane. Temporal site actually to the left there, and just beside Park Lane is Esut Medical School. Esut simply means Enugu State University College of Medicine. So this is the College of Medicine right there to the left. This area is called Park Avenue, and this is GRA Enugu. This is Old GRA Enugu. Again, we're heading to the New GRA just after Trans Ekulu, and this is the route we decided to pass to go through today. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jeff Anozie. If you're just meeting for the first time, thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel so you can see this type of amazing videos. I'm a realtor, your favorite realtor actually, and I bring you amazing real estate deals right here in Enugu and in the southeast in general. We just went past Solid FM here in Salvage Avenue in GRA Enugu. This is actually Old GRA. Straight down is still GRA and connects Abakaliki Road from this side, but we're taking left. We're taking left here to connect the Trans Ekulu Bridge. From Trans Ekulu Bridge, this road leads straight down to Damija, but we're not going to reach Damija because we're going to take left and we're heading to New GRA through phase 6 Trans Ekulu. In fact, we're going to hit phase 6 and then phase 6 extension before we get to New GRA. I can't believe how much of work how fast that area is developing. Can you see these trees on this road? I think they are fine. What do you think? And this is even the peak of dry season, but you can still see them looking quite okay. The canopy trees along this road, yeah, they are beautiful. If you're enjoying this drive-through video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. I also want to know in the comment section, do you like this type of videos? Whenever I'm going for this type of assignments or property tours, would you like to come with me like this? Hey, I would like to know in the comment section. If you're just meeting me, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Share it as well with as many people as possible. This is Ekulu Avenue. This is Trans Ekulu Road. This is the bridge connecting other side of Enugu with Trans Ekulu. There are other routes to Trans Ekulu, but this is one of the most used routes, and there is usually a little bit of traffic here in the mornings and in the evenings. Enjoy this video. I will just come on and I'll discuss major areas we're going to be passing and major bus stops as we go along, but I want you to enjoy the video. This is the bridge. This is the Trans Ekulu Bridge connecting to Trans Ekulu. You can see those trees. These trees are like the highlight of this video for me. I like the way the trees are connecting up there to form a canopy. If you recognize any of the places within this environment, please let us know. Let me know in the comment section what area you recognize, name of your street. If you lived in Trans Ekulu or you still live in Trans Ekulu, please write in the comment section where you live. Would like to know, or at least your area, what area you are. So we are cutting off Damija Junction. We're connecting Trans Ekulu phase 6 through this road. This is like a bypass to cut off Damija Junction. Okay, I like the serenity that Trans Ekulu has. Trans Ekulu has this feel of quote big men area, you know, it has that feeling, and it's quite cool and serene most of the time. Cool and serene, and that is part of why New GRA and phase 6 extension is commanding so much attention. So we're cut off Damija and we're heading towards phase 6 right here in Trans Ekulu. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you are enjoying this video. So right here is Sani Abacha Road, phase 6, Trans Ekulu. We're going to connect phase 6 extension, and then from phase 6 extension we're going to connect New GRA. So straight down this road leads to New GRA, and within that area is where you have estates like the Winners Estate. You can find Crux Stone Estate within that area. You can find Legacy Estate within that area, and then Legacy Layout as well. And there is a Ministry of Housing estate that is coming up as within that area. So there are a lot of estates at the end of this road. This road now, this Trans Ekulu phase 6 extension road, connects straight to New GRA. So let's come along. Of course, a bit of the road is still under construction, but it is motorable, definitely. So this is Kessington Plaza, which is a popular plaza. Check the map as well. You can see Kessington Plaza. This is the Kessington Plaza junction. Quite a popular plaza within this environment. This is Trans Ekulu phase 6 extension, and you can see it's actually a busy place. I remember in 2018 this place used to be deserted. This place used to be like a bush, just a few houses, like one within the environment. At the time, of course, I came here for a delivery as someone sent me here, but right now you can see how busy this environment is. Like a lot of constructions coming up. Of course, the road is being worked on, it's not yet completed, but of course there are a couple of rental apartments within this environment. Like you can see to my right there, there's another 2-story block of flats to my left, and that is how it's going to be going on and on. The advantage is that very soon the road will be worked on, as it is not really worked on right now. So this is the estate construction by Ministry of Housing. You can see that is their fence wall right there. This, ladies and gentlemen, is New GRA. This is New GRA. Of course, the road is still worked on at the moment. As you can see, some of the tractors on site, they are working on this road to get it tarred as soon as possible. And you can see some houses along the road, as New GRA is becoming very attractive to buy a property here and possibly build your house to live in. You can see, and because of the way this area is super planned, it is definitely going to be a hot cake. You can see the kind of houses a couple of people have built around here already. And like I said, the road is being worked on. It is motorable because there are a number of estates and properties within this environment. You can see to the right there, those are the tractors. All right, so here today we are here at New GRA to inspect a property we are working on at the moment. It's yet to be launched into the market, but yeah, there's a lot of work going on in the property right now. You can at least drop a message in the comments if you're interested in knowing about this particular property, or you're interested in New GRA Enugu. This is the environment of New GRA, and we have a mini estate coming up right here. It is as beautiful as it comes. You can see people already live within the environment, and how sweet will it be to have an estate in the middle of this awesomeness. All right, and you can see the road is being worked on. So once that road is tarred, of course the prices of properties within this environment will definitely go up. Now, right beside this estate we came to inspect, they're actually building a mall. There's a mall coming up right beside the estate. Of course, we're going to bring updates as the work progresses, but this is the road leading to the estate right here in New GRA Enugu. If you've never been to New GRA, welcome. This is what it looks like. That brings us to the end of this video. Basically, the goal was to show you how to connect town, that is Okpara Avenue, Garden Avenue, GRA, that's Old GRA environment to this new GRA, and within a couple of years, if you missed the Old GRA, you don't want to miss this new GRA. I'm going to park somewhere around here, come down from the car and move around and show you what it's like. You can see what the environment looks like, and right there where those keke or tricycles are parked, that's the road we came in from. Okay, and then we came in from there, and this is the environment where our new estate is coming up. It is an estate you definitely do not want to miss. You don't want to miss this. Just beside the estate there is a mall coming up. I'm going to be bringing updates of this estate very soon. That is the fence wall of the estate right there. This place comes with a sea of O. Of course, I'm going to be giving you updates. And this is what the frontal design will look like of this estate. This estate is solidly planned estate with perimeter fencing, with the gatehouse, with everything that a modern estate is going to look like. Again, like I said, I'm going to be bringing you updates as we go along with this project. In the meantime, enjoy a fantastic day. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you get to be seeing all our content from time to time, and please share this video with as many people as you know will need this information. Enjoy a great day, and bye for now.